Good afternoon, class. Today we are going to learn how to subtract within 1,000 using place value blocks. So we will learn how to do 3-digit subtraction. I'm going to start off by showing you how to do two problems. While I'm doing these two problems, I want you to put your pencils down and I want you to follow along. Then we'll do guided practice problems. When we do the guided practice problems, I want you to pick your pencil up and I want you to do it with me. After we finish the guided practice problems, you will do your independent practice problems, which are on the Google slides, and you will do the exit ticket. Get your parents' permission and send me a picture of your independent practice and your exit ticket. All right. Let's get started with our first problem on subtracting 3-digit numbers. So we need to solve 329 minus 105. This strategy is the exact same strategy that we use when we are subtracting 2-digit numbers. So of course, we're going to start off by building our first number, which is 329. So I need 300s, 2 10s, and 9 1s. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Now I need to subtract 105 from 329. That means I need to take away 100, 0 10s, and 5 1s. Remember, we always start with our ones when we subtract. So let's go ahead and take away our 5 1s. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And when I take away 5 1s, I'm left with 1, 2, 3, 4 1s. Now, 0 10s. If it says 0 10s, then that means I have no 10s to take away. So then it just stays 2 10s. 2 10s minus no 10s are 2 10s. And now I need to take away 100. And I took away 100, and I'm left with 200s. So 329 minus 105 is 224. Okay? Let's go on to our second problem. Remember, your pencils are still down and you're still following along with me. Now I'm going to solve 952 minus 521. So I'm going to make 900s, 100, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 900s, 5 10s, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 2 1s. Now I need to subtract 500s, 2 10s, and 1 1 from the number 952. So let's start at our ones place and let's take away 1 1. And now I'm left with 1 1. Now I want to take away 2 10s. 1 10, 2 10s, and I am left with 3 10s. And lastly, I want to subtract 500s. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and I'm left with 1, 2, 3, 4 hundreds. So 952 minus 521 is equal to 431. All right, are you ready to pick up your pencil and try some with me? Great, let's move on. Our guided practice problems. I want you to go ahead and pause the video and place and make your own place value chart in your notebook. Pause the video and do that now. Now that you have your hundreds chart drawn, your place value chart drawn, let's go ahead and start solving the next problem. 276 minus 126. So let's go ahead and make the number 276. We have 200s, We need 7 tens, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And we need 6 ones. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Make sure you leave yourself enough space so you can subtract. Okay? Now, let's take away our 6 ones. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And how many ones am I left with? 0, correct. Now, let's move on to our tens. I need to subtract 2 tens. 1 10, 2 tens, and I'm left with 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 tens. And how many hundreds do I need to take away? Correct, 100. And when I take away 100, I'm left with 100. So 276 minus 126 is equal to 150. Great job. Are you ready for the next one? Good. 496 minus 381. What number do we need to build first? 496, correct. Let's make 496. We need 4 hundreds. We need 9 tens. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. And we need 6 ones. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Now we need to take away 3 hundreds, 8 tens, and 1 1. Let's go ahead and take away our 1 1 since we always start with our ones. And when we take that away, we are left with 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 ones. Now we need to take away 8 tens. Let's go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And how many tens am I left with? 1, correct. 1 10. And now I need to take away how many hundreds? You got it, 3 hundreds. 2, 3, and I'm left with 100. So 496 minus 381 is 115. And those are our problems for today, our practice problems for today. If you're still not sure on what to do, go back and watch the video one more time. And if you're still unsure, make sure you get on Zoom with me later today and ask a question. Bye. See you guys later.